represent people, and I represent women who have been silenced.
Hello my lovers, welcome back to Christy TV. Happy new month to you all. Today being 1st of May 2025, our own senator known as Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan has come again with another gbenga. My correct people, this time around she said enough is enough. We all know that previously, some days ago, this lady offered a satirical apology to Senator Akpabio. But indirectly she was busy insulting Akpabio. My correct people, they must see the hurt. The Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, known as Kogi Central Senator, has reaffirmed her commitment in pursuing her sexual harassment case against Senate President Akpabio. My correct people, them in a letter dated April 30, 2025, addressed to Akpabio's counsel, known as Olisa Agbakoba, San, she emphasized that her petition represents the truth of the event complained about, and the further comments will be reserved for the court, which has the exclusive preserve to exercise judgment on the property or otherwise of the matter. My correct people, them the senator known as Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan has vowed to pursue this sexual harassment suit against Senator Akpabio. In fact, she said that she's not relenting, she's not quitting, that she must take this particular case to another level. So Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, who has just reaffirmed her commitment to pursuing her sexual harassment lawsuit against Senate President Godswill Akpabio. This letter was released on April 30th, which happens to be yesterday. Today is 1st of May, and this particular news has been circulating all over the social media spaces. This letter was addressed to Akpabio's special counsel, known as Olisa Agbakoba. She emphasized that her petition represents the truth, which I said earlier, for the court, which has the exclusive preserve to exercise judgment on the property or otherwise of the matter. According to this, they say that Akpoti-Uduaghan criticized Agbakoba's request for evidence outside the court's purview, asserting that such demands reflect a misunderstanding of sexual harassment's nature as defined by global standards. She stated, the assessment of evidence belongs to the court alone. The nature of your demand for evidence in this manner, in the instance of your client, simply indicates a broader misconception of what truly amounts to sexual harassment as prescribed in several global protocols. She further warned that bypassing established legal processes could undermine the rule of law, a principle Agbakoba has long championed. Should further particulars be required, they will be furnished in the ordinary course of disclosure, subject to the direction of the Honorable Court. Any attempt to circumvent that regulated process risks subverting the very rule of law values you have championed throughout your distinguished career, she noted. The senator also highlighted the inconsistency of Akpabio's approach, noting his refusal to address the allegations within the Senate while simultaneously engaging in a media campaign. Through his counsel, she argued, the principle is elementary. A litigant may not approbate in the court and reprobate in the press. The rule against parallel adjudication safeguards the integrity of judicial determination, preserves the fairness of proceedings, and secures dignity of all arms of government. Previously, the Senate Ethics and Privileges Committee dismissed Akpoti-Uduaghan's petition on procedural grounds, citing that she personally signed the document, which contravenes Senate rules. Despite this, Akpoti-Uduaghan maintains that her legal action is separate from any Senate proceedings and is focused solely on seeking justice through the court. The case has passed significant public disclosure and discourse on sexual harassment and gender dynamics within Nigerian politics, drawing attention to the challenges faced by women in governance and the importance of upholding ethical standards in public office. Not just that alone, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan equally went internationally in reporting her case just to ensure that her voices are being heard so that the right measures would be used against Senator Akpabio. My correct people, them as see the hot. Senator Natasha is not backing down, even though that she offered a satirical apology few days ago. Not just that alone, she equally exposed why she is not relenting on this particular case with Akpabio. According to her, she equally made a very vital detailed letter on her Facebook official handle about her, tender age. She said that while she was growing up, in fact, that poverty shaped her, that it was one of her greatest teacher and motivator. This is what Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan said about her experience while growing up. My correct people, them as see they hot. Things are no longer moving the way it is. Our own Natasha, with your satirical apology letter. And now you're making a U-turn, kicking against the thing you are still apologizing. Oh, anyway, I understand that even in your apology, you equally say that you realize the catastrophic consequences of your actions, legislation delayed tampers fled, and the tactic brazen of egos so large that they require their own postcode for this disruption to the natural order of qui pro quo, that you bow your head. Not just bowing your head. There was a statement she made. That particular statement, Omo, no be here. No be here. She said, how remiss of me not to understand that my refusal to indulge your request was not merely a personal choice, but a constitutional violation. I don't know if you guys understand it. In that particular letter that she apologized, she insulted Akpabio. Anyway, make I not talk too much. I've already made video concerning that particular apology of Senator Natasha to Akpabio. And now, Senator Natasha is now addressing the special counsel of Akpabio, who happens to be Olisa Agbakoba. Olisa made a particular video, and that video was on TVC Nigerian News. He went on live there and he made a statement where he said that where he was asking Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan to withdraw her sexual harassment claim, or she should be able to, present a tangible evidence. And not just that alone, even our own very dark man special counsel lawyer known as lawyer Deji, he equally made a statement based on which he posted on his Facebook verified page. He said that Akpoti-Uduaghan should present evidence of this sexual harassment. Not just, she just back her claims, all her claims, she should back it up with evidence. That even if she doesn't want to present the evidence, to this couple, but she's expected to present it to us because she complained to us that we want to see it so that we know how to handle this case. My correct people, them, I bet the case is too much. Make una see what thing they happen. Feel free to drop your opinion in the comment section and stay tuned for more updates.
Birthdays that fall on the same day, 9th of December. That's the core issue. And the simple issue is whether it is true or not true. I'm not the one to tell her how to retract it. She will know how to retract it, or to say I will not retract it because it is true. So if she insists that it is true, then we have a choice, and the choice would be to then proceed to court and then tell the court that we took all steps before coming to the court to offer Senator Natasha an opportunity to say something, and she didn't. Ladies and gentlemen, was to offer her the opportunity to retract, but she hasn't. So how she wants to do it is not for me to decide. It's entirely for her to do so. A simple letter to me is enough. A simple letter to me is enough. Does that satisfy you? And if the response is compelling enough, then I will advise him as such. Or, on the other hand, ask her to refute. We have not made any movement. She's neither refuted nor justified. Two key things. You have to justify it or refute it. Refuting means retraction, and she hasn't done it.